Crafting is always a great outlet for people to feel good, communicate with others, and my thing is I always like to have people do things that make them feel good about themselves. I love to meet new people, and what better way to craft and meet the community and help them feel really good about things that they've done.
When our guests come in, they're surprised at the one-on-one, show them how to do the projects.
We give them just enough to let them be creative, but not not too much to overstep.
Yeah,
but
we're not doing it. Yeah,
we're not way in the background to where they feel like it's not their project.
Yeah, just to get out there and experience with the people how they come into the shop and see how projects can be made from scratch and how excited they get over it and how proud they are when they finish their project. So it's pretty good.
Get to use the power tools. Some that never done them, and they're like, "Oh my God, this is on my Christmas list now. Or this is on my birthday list."
And a lot of them are always, they can't do this. We can't do that. I can't do this. I can't do it. By the time they get done, they're planning a trip back. So they've got the confidence and they see what they've made, so they're excited about it. So it's pretty cool.